What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Roasted Beans and Tires. Today we're going to do a little review of F150 LED side vent lighting. In the box you'll see you get 2 side vent lights, 2 alcohol pads, and then some T connectors so you can connect to your lights on the grill. There is one thing I think they're missing. It's a small piece, but we will get into that later. Other than that, this was a breeze. The first thing you're going to want to do is take the lights out. You're going to then run the wires through the bottom of the vent. There's a hole that goes into your engine bay. You're just going to take it, run it right through. Just make sure you pull all the wiring through and you get it all the way into the bay. Here you can just see where the wire comes through the vent and into your engine bay. Just pull it, and that's as easy as it is. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the alcohol swabs they provide. You're then going to clean the inside of the vent. These do go right on the inside. One of the sides is red taped, and you're going to take that side and just put it right up against the grill there, which you'll see here in a second. But make sure you clean it out well. Once you take that alcohol swab, the next thing we did was we went and took the red tape off of the one side. Just be careful because it is very sticky. So once you take that red tape off, you are going to need to go ahead and stick it right on your vent. We did give it a couple seconds after the alcohol, just to let it dry a little bit. But what you can see is go to the top, and you're going to stick it all the way to the top as far as it goes forward, and then you're going to sit there and you're going to mold it down, and then you're going to stick it right to the bottom. It just molds right around. But make sure that you get it right because it does stick right away and it's very strong, so you're not really going to be able to take it off if you mess it up. You wanted to then just go through with your fingers and really just crank it in there, crush it in, because you want to make sure you don't really see the lights. And frankly, it's an awesome product and it's easy to get in there, but you don't want to see it when it's not lit. Next, you're going to take your wiring, you're going to put it into your T connector. You're going to put the red and the black into their spots. And then we are going to go and we're going to connect it right to the lights that are behind the grill. On the installation video for F150 LEDs, it says to connect to the blue and the black cable. Well, in this truck, we only had black and white. So the blue might be on a different model or maybe an older year. But you're going to want to take your T connector, connect it in, and you just snap it right on there. Put your black cord to the black and the red cord to the white, and you'll be all set. You will want to find a way to run those wires through the engine bay. There's some little spots that you can go through. We did find some little areas where we were able to do it. But this is where they're missing the piece. I think they need to send zip ties. Once you get that all cleaned up, that's it. You're finished. Just put everything back together and you're all set to go. These will turn on automatically with the rest of your lights, and they look absolutely awesome.